a Gibble, a Rupee, a Slowpoke, a Landmeow, a Spritzee, a Doublade, Tierno, a Aromatisse, a Reverse Cerudo, and Shifter.
So you're treated. You had 2 bronze lines over there. Basically, you have bronze lines already catching energy, so you don't have to worry about it.
I see something. Great Ball, Squirtle, Bayleaf, Ducklet, Squirfowl, Psyduck, Dibble, Rupee, Eradicate, and a Mega Gyarados. Yeah. Those 2. One more pack.
Oh, no, I don't know. I am good at pulling off.
I see something else in this one. Reverse Valley, Electivire, Special Water Energy, Spritzee, Shinx, Slowpoke, Phantom, Psyduck, Reverse Tierno,